Hello, this is Daniel. Welcome to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades. Okay, for today, we'll be doing Bitcoin. Okay, we'll be concentrating on Bitcoin for today's technical analysis. So what we can see, as I know, as of today, there seems to be still some uncertainty in the markets with a lot of sanctions, especially one of them is banning of the Swiss transactions of Russia. Okay, then as many in the world has started to ban Russia on a lot of things and their banks, so this would definitely affect the Russia and of course the whole markets, because businesses are being disrupted due to these sanctions. All right, so I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin again, as there is seems to be a rally. Then after that, seems there doesn't seem to be a persistent rally. All right, it doesn't seem strong. It's strong on Friday, but it's not that strong over the weekend. So let's see what it is. All right. So it's interesting to see Bitcoin, as I realized that Bitcoin seems to be a pretty good leading indicator of how the stock market will behave. Usually in a matter of minutes. Okay, so if you want to know how the stock market will be doing, take a look at the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin first. All right, so if the Bitcoin goes up, most probably the stock market will go up in a matter of minutes. All right, so that is your indicator. If it's over the weekend, then take a look at Bitcoin, how it performs over the weekend, especially on a Sunday. If it goes down, then the Monday opening will be probably down, or it can go down later on. Okay, so let's take a look at the narrative for Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin having bounced back from its low, then it went up, hit the resistance about 45,000, it goes back down. Okay, it does a lower low. Okay, you can see here a lower low, right? Then it collapses as the world gets uncertain about the Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, then it reached a bottom, somehow hits my EMA support, broke through. All right, then bounce back up on the good news, or not sure whether it will be actually a short covering from the big traders. All right, most likely this is a short covering, it's not a true buying in. All right, so as on the weekend or on Friday in Pacific time, okay, in Asia time, as in Asia, okay, we hit the resistance at the pink line on my resistance. Okay, there is a pin bar, you can see here, pin bar, broke through the pin bar. Okay, tries to retest here, okay, but fails. Okay, so went down again, probably on my Sunday night. Okay, so right now it's trying to test this resistance. All right, this orange line resistance. So what will be the probable movement for Bitcoin? Okay, so if Bitcoin fails to break through, all right, so it will just go there, test it, goes back down here. All right, so which will be about the 32,000 range. All right, 32,000 range. Okay, so previously I have predicted for 30,000 range, so this will be the first, I guess, support. Okay, in the worst case scenario again. Okay, 32,000 if it fails. All right, so if suddenly there is good news, so what will happen? If there's good news on Russia retreating or something, then Bitcoin will probably break through. Okay, for breaking through, right, it must break through this EMA first, all right, and also some of the resistance here. So pretty much there's quite a lot of resistance to break through. So I'll give it maybe about 42. Okay, around 42. It's a bit difficult right now to bring where's the upside. Okay, for the downside is pretty quite clear. Okay, where's the downside is, it's either we'll be dropping to this again here as a support, which is about 36, okay, or 32. Okay, very clear. Upside wobbly, uncertain, so we'll give it a 42 first. Okay, so first, how for Bitcoin to be bullish, right, it has to break through this two resistance, and this, let me draw one line. Okay, here, okay, you see here. Okay, it has to break through this line of resistance. So in my estimate, so if it manage to break through, so it will go back up to about 42, which is just nice, this resistance line. Okay, so if it manage to break through, so this line, okay, so it will go up, maybe hits a bit of resistance around here, or either here 40 to 45, or here, right? So let's take it here. Okay, then it will probably retest here or here. All right, retest. Okay, then bounce back up. Okay, so this will be a upside for Bitcoin if it happens. Okay, so in the current circumstances, likely is the downside. So we shall see how it goes, and just take a look, mental look. So those who are investing, it will be a good time to wait for 32. Okay, because you here is a very good price to go in already for those who are investing deep buying. Okay, so there are places where you can deep buy, so these are probable places where you can deep buy, because to me it's pretty extreme already. Okay, so it seems because of the trending line is still going up, just that it haven't broke through. Okay, but once it breaks through this EMA, the blue EMA line, then I think all hell will break loose lah. Okay, so it will continue dropping. I don't know where it will drop. Okay, so you have to see each of the support line that it can support. Okay, so if managed to break through this 32k, 32,000. Okay, so if it continues to drop down, so my next probable will be 25,000 or 26,000. If not, will be another breakthrough, will be about 22,000. Okay, you can see this, look for these levels of support if you wanted to buy in. Okay, so I guess that's all for today's Bitcoin analysis. So if you like this channel, if you like my video, please take a like, click the like button, smash the like button, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Alright, we'll see you in the next analysis. Bye bye.